Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about the 10 best affordable gel polish kit by Family Guidelines. Number 1. Goe Reflective Glitter Gel Nail Polish Set of 6 colors. If you want to buy these products, links in the description. Number 2. Model 1's Color Changing Gel Nail Polish. Number 3. 15 glossy and trendy colors. Number 4. Beetles Gels Polish Set 6 pieces Coral Green Light Blue Gel Polish Kit. Number 5. Omani Gel Nail Polish Set. Number 6. Goe Milky White X Jelly Nude Gel Nail Polish Set. Number 7. Beetles 2 pieces 15 ml No Wipe Gel Top Coat and Base Coat Set. Number 8. Shiny Cosmetics Nail Polish Set. Number 9. Macart Marble Nail Polish. Number 10. Beetles Gel Polish Nail Art Rhinestone Glue Set. Thanks you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my new video.